what's up, y'all? Fourth episode here for interior for the 8th generation Galant. And I want to talk about shift knobs, the boots, talk about the e-brake handle, and talk about the pedals. So to start off with your automatic guys, I only found one picture, I found one post so far on the Galant Center of someone putting an aftermarket knob under automatic. But I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of knobs out there for automatics that you can use. And it's fairly simple the way how the button works on the automatic. It's nothing surprising. So there should be universal knobs out there for it. If I can find more pictures, I'll post them. But for us manual guys, even though we're very, very few out of the bunch, when you do your swap, you're going to see that the shroud where the automatic used to be is very large, and it's hard to really put a boot that's big enough to fit in there. So what a lot of guys did was they took the 3rd generation Eclipse, the shifter shroud, the bezel, the trim, whatever you want to call it, and they did some work with Bondo or fiberglass and just made a mold. And that also looks really clean. For me, I went with a 3000 GT shifter boot, and it was wide enough that I just put double-sided tape underneath the shifter trim, and I stuck it onto it, and it turned out pretty clean. And also the little black square that sits in the trim for the automatic that has the numbers on it, PRND, you can also take that out and cut a square into it. Like how I have my boot attached to the trim, you can also put that black piece underneath the boot, and it'll help secure it more. And that also looks pretty decent. So let's talk about the shifter knobs. There's so much shifter knobs you can run. You can run matching shifter knobs with the e-brake handle as well. So I have mine's look almost like an 8-ball, but it has the gear pattern, the H-speed 5-speed gear pattern on it. It's a nice weighted one. It looks real nice. I can't remember the tread. I think it's an M12 by 1. M10 by 1 1/4. But there's so many shift knobs out there that you can run that look real nice. And also for the boots, there's so many boots out there. I remember someone running like a Purple Royal or Crown Royal shifter boot that looked pretty cool. So check that out. Also for your pedals, there's so much pedals you can run. I personally don't run any pedals, but I may look into it depending if I can find a good quality set. I think pedals help enhance your interior a good amount, and I just haven't done it to any of my vehicles, so that'll be something new for me to jump into. And for the shifter handle, for the e-brake handle, I didn't find too much. Besides the one picture, I didn't find too much information on that. From what I can see, it looks like you got to take the leather part off of the e-brake handle, and then you'd have to put your own custom e-brake handle on. And sometimes they come with a boot. I think most of them come with a boot. And yeah, that's it for this video. I know it's short, so it's been a while. So that's that for now. Till the next episode. I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.